Welcome to Jeazie's Cribs. Today we're located in Kansas City, Missouri, right outside of Kansas City, Missouri. Anyways, today we staying in the Residence Inn Suites, right by the airport, so we on the outskirts of everything. And I'm gonna start right here in the little kitchen area. As you can see, we have a kitchen area. And like I always say at all the hotels, you know, that's why we get suites, because they got the microwaves. They don't have them in hotels. So we got our microwave. We got this little stove. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's nice. Okay, we got the little stove top right there, embedded into the countertop. And we got the sink over here. You see how I said it? Embedded into the countertop.
Y'all got to start off.
Alright, we got the refrigerator over here. As you can see, we got a lot of liquor because we on vacation. So, you know, we turn up. Well, we got a lot of dishes, so you gotta worry about that. But you know how black folks is. We might want to just go to Walmart and get paper plates, so you don't have to wash no dishes. Okay, now I'm about to take you out to the front. We got the little table right here. We call this the card table. So, okay, we can pull it out and add extra seats if we want to play some card bingo or something, which I'm sure we probably gonna do. So, yeah, that's our little table right there. Over here, we got the little chair. Say what's up to Pops. Say, there go Pops right there. He chilling. You know, he on vacation mode. All right, so we got the little, you know, the little seat right here, the little couch, man. This is our front room, so of course we got our TV. Getting ready for football. You know what I'm saying? It's Sunday, so football Sunday. Take you over here. We got another little seat. Another little seat. What they call it? Little love seats or something like that?
It's a chair.
Oh.
We went through this already on the last video.
Oh, yeah, we did.
People was.
Oh yeah, then we got a little chill couch, right? I mean, what do they call these?
A chair.
Cracking
up on that video.
Alright, we got a nice little view out here. This is it ain't a balcony. It look like a balcony, but you know, you can still open it and look outside.
2 hours later.
Shit. Damn, what the hell? It don't open. But look, this is our view. You see out there, got that little nice little view out there, and the outside where you can sit outside, but it's getting cold now, so we probably won't be sitting outside, but that's just a little nice view. So yeah, this is the front room. I'm gonna take y'all to the first room. This room right here is where my in-laws are staying. And theirs look better than ours because theirs are clean. So yeah, this is their room. We come over here, they got the bathroom. They got their own personal bathroom. Turn the light on. Might be taking forever to come on, but yeah. It's pretty cool, you know. Just a bathroom. Okay. We got the little, what I always call it, a selfie mirror. Come in here and, you know, they say, check yourself out and brush your teeth, get ready for the day. That's it.
Yeah. All
right. Okay, now we're gonna take y'all in our room. Come on. You know how I do that? Walk on MTV.
Yeah.
All right, this is our room. You know, we came in last night, so you know we already did settled in and all that. But this is our room right here. And then we got our TV, of course. Gotta have our TV. You know, we got drawers if we want to put our clothes and stuff in there. Then of course we got a little view right here. You know, it ain't much, but it's just something to look out and see. And again, we got that. I love this. I love that over there, but it's just cold. So, yep. All right, I'm gonna take you over here. Now this is the official selfie mirror. See, I can see this mirror when I'm laying in the bed. So I look at myself when I'm just laying in the bed, you know, so that's the selfie mirror. All right, so that's just the little room area. Then we're gonna come in here, we got our closet area. If you guys seen in the other room, they don't have a closet, but that's their problem. But yeah, this is our closet right here. Now just hang our stuff up. Then of course we got, you know, the little sink and another selfie mirror to where we get, you know, all fresh and, you know what I'm saying, for the day and all that. You know how that go, straight like that. And then we come in here and we got the toilet and the shower where we get freshened up and then go to the selfie mirror. So this is where we are at. We're at Residence Inn in Kansas City, Missouri, or Missouri, like Tommy Davidson said last night. And you know, we here for the game. We're going to the game tomorrow. Go Giants, forget the Chiefs. And yeah, we're just gonna have fun. We appreciate y'all for following us and, you know, checking out our rooms and all that. And thank y'all for watching Jeazie Cribs, you know what I'm saying? Until next time.